Think you need a gym to get fit? What if I told you that just 10 minutes at home without any equipment can transform your body and energy levels? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 quick home workouts you can do anytime, anywhere, no fancy machines, no expensive memberships, just your body and a little motivation. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or simply someone who wants to stay active at home, these workouts are perfect for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll share one powerful workout variation that most people overlook, yet it burns more calories in 5 minutes than jogging for half an hour. To stay fit without equipment, try a circuit of bodyweight exercises like jumping jacks, squats, push-ups, planks, and mountain climbers. Focus on proper form for each exercise, aiming for a full-body workout that builds strength and boosts cardio without needing any equipment, making it a versatile way to improve overall fitness at home. Here are 5 equipment-free exercises to incorporate into a quick home workout. 1. Jumping jacks. A great way to get your heart rate up and start burning calories. Get your body moving by jumping and bringing your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. A full-body cardiovascular exercise involving aerobic and resistance movements. They engage various muscle groups, such as the legs, core, and arms, and can be incorporated into different fitness routines. 2. Squats. Tones your legs and glutes while also engaging your core. Keep your back straight and chest up as you lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair. A foundational strength exercise where you lower your hips from a standing position to build leg and glute strength, improve posture, and enhance daily movement. To perform one, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees, keeping your back straight and chest up. Then push back to the start. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury, so focus on maintaining a neutral spine and ensuring your knees don't cave inward. 3. Push-ups. This exercise targets your chest, arms, and shoulders, building upper body strength. For beginners, you can perform them on your knees to make them easier. A fundamental strength training exercise that uses your body weight to work your chest, pectoral muscles, shoulders, anterior deltoids, and triceps, back of the upper arm. To perform one, you start in a high plank position, keeping your body straight and core engaged. Then slowly lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows, and finally push back up to the starting position. 4. Plank. A fantastic exercise for strengthening your core and improving overall stability. Hold a straight line from your head to your heels, resting on your forearms and toes. A type of isometric exercise that strengthens your core muscles by having you hold a position similar to a push-up, balancing on your forearms and toes with your body forming a straight line. 5. Mountain climbers. A high-intensity exercise that boosts your cardio and helps burn fat. Start in a push-up position and bring one knee towards your chest. Then alternate legs in a running motion. The exercise targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the shoulders, arms, chest, core, quads, and glutes. If you found these workouts helpful, give this video a thumbs up and try them out today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips you can do right from your living room. And tell me in the comments, which of these 5 workouts are you going to try first?